welcome back to CJL Aviation. Today I'll be reviewing the JC Wings Air Transat Boeing 757-200 in the retro livery. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. We've got Air Transat. You can see the airplane on the front. 1/400 scale die-cast aircraft model. Boeing 757-200. Air Transat, you can see like the length, width. Manufacturer Boeing. Length, wingspan, height, number of engines. Rolls-Royce engines on there. Alright, that's pretty much it for the box. We got the Air Transat logo on the side. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this sucker. Alright. Put this off to the side. There we go. JC Wings always packs their model airplanes quite tightly, so that's good. Got the plastic wrapping. They do the plastic on top and the bottom, so that's nice for protecting your model. Alright, there's our first look. Here's the Air Transat Boeing 757-200. Alright, let's take a look at this. Oh, it's such a nice livery. It's nice seeing the retro liveries. Look at that. This is actually my first Boeing 757 model. I'm super impressed. You can see those nice Rolls-Royce engines. You see the nice detail that they put into this. This is actually my first JC Wings model, and so far I'm highly impressed with it. We got the little registration on the wing. The landing gear don't roll, but they are very detailed. Oh, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Let's take a look at the tail. Look at that. It just looks so nice. You can see the Canada flag on there. This model doesn't have winglets on it, and that's pretty cool to see it without the winglets on it. They have also included the little antennas on top of the plane and below the plane, which is really nice to see in your models. You can see right there on the bottom. They have the antenna. All right, now I'm going to show you guys some scenic photos of this model aircraft. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. My final verdict is that I highly recommend this model aircraft. JC Wings did an amazing job with it. It's a great addition if you're looking for a Canadian aircraft or a retro livery for your model airport. All in all, just an awesome model. That's all for this model review. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of my awesome subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.